Is studying abroad too expensive to handle? Not always. If you manage your finances strategically, it can be even cheaper than studying in India. How? First step is to calculate your total expenses. This will include tuition fees, cost of living, accommodation, and other expenses. Research and create a comprehensive budget to know how much you will need every month. Next step is to investigate about the scholarship and financial aid options in your study destination. Many universities offer scholarships for international students, and there are external scholarship programs in India as well as in your study destinations which you can apply for. Another way to manage your expense is to earn while you learn. Yes, look for part-time opportunities in your study destination. In Canada and Australia, you can work up to 20 hours per week as an international student. In UK, you can work up to 20 hours a week during the term time, while you can go for full-time work during holidays. Step 4 is to create a savings plan well in advance. This will help you to cut down the unnecessary expenses, and it will also help you to save a bit. Last and the most important thing is to maintain a very strict budget while studying abroad. Track your expenses, manage your finances efficiently, and always keep an emergency fund for unexpected costs. This will give you peace of mind. Studying abroad can be a life-changing experience, and with MyStudia's assistance, you can plan your finances very effectively. Download MyStudia app and go to resources page where you can have free access to services like educational loans. Stay tuned.